Welcome again to Happiness Online Math. We have another exponential question on the board. 5 raised to the power x plus 2 equals 120. So let us solve for the value of x. So we have 5 raised to the power x plus 2 equals 120. So let us break up the left-hand side. We know a raised to the power m plus n is equal to a raised to the power m dot a raised to the power n. So it becomes 5 raised to the power x dot 5 raised to the power 2 equals 120. 5 squared is the same thing as 25. So what do? Next we can just divide both sides by 25. We divide through by 25. 25 cancels out. So we have 5 raised to the power x equals 120 divided by 25. So let's try to break this down. 5 here will give us 5. 5 here will give us 2. And then 5 in 20 is 4. So we have 24 over 5. So 5 raised to the power x is equal to 24 divided by 5. So now, to continue on this solution, we need to supply log to both sides, okay? So now we have log 5 raised to the power x equals log of 24 divided by 5. We know that log of a raised to the power b is equal to b log a. And also, log of a over b is equal to log a minus log b. So what we have here now becomes x log 5 equals log 24 minus log 5. So to find the value of x, we divide through by log 5, divide through by log 5. Log 5 cancels out log 5. So x now is equal to log 24 minus log 5, all divided by log 5. So let's write the right-hand side in standalone fractions, okay? So we have log of 24 divided by log of 5 minus log of 5 divided by log of 5. Log 5 can cancel out. So they cancel out and it becomes 1. So now x is equal to log 24 over log 5 minus 1. Now 24, we can break it down a little bit more. 24 is the same thing as 8 times 3, right? Or 24 can be the same thing as, let's say, 2 times 2 times 2. So that's 2 raised to the power 3 times 3. Same thing. So our x is equal to, let's write 8 times 3 divided by log 5 minus 1. So x, because we know that log of a dot b will give you log of a plus log b. Okay. So x is now equal to log of 8 plus log of 3 divided by log of 5 minus 1. X is equal to log 8 over log 5, just writing them as standalone fractions. Log 3 divided by log 5, just so it's easy to work with. Okay. So x is the same thing as log of, x is equal to log of 2 raised to the power 3 divided by log of 5 plus log of 3 over log of 5 minus 1. And we know that log of a raised to the power b is equal to b log a. So our x now becomes 3 log of 2 divided by log of 5 plus log of 3 divided by log of 5 minus 1. So log of a divided by log of b, we know is log of a base b. Okay, so now applying that, our x now becomes 3 log of 2 base 5 plus log of 3 base 5 minus 1. And this is our final answer, final solution to the question. So now we're going to go ahead and verify to confirm that our answer is correct. So question states 5 raised to the power x plus 2 is equal to 120. This is what we're going to prove, that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Our x is 3 log of 2 base 5 plus log of 3 base 5 minus 1. So let's plug all this into x. So now we have 5 raised to the power 3 log of 2 base 5 plus log of 3 base 5 minus 1 plus 2. Let's see if it's going to be equal to 120. So now minus 1 plus 2 will give us positive 1. So 3 log of 2 base 5 plus log of 3 base 5 plus 1. Let's see if that's going to be equal to 120. And we know that a raised to the power m plus n is a raised to the power m dot a raised to the power n. So left hand side becomes 5 raised to the power 3 log of 2 base 5 times 5 raised to the power log of 3 base 5 times 5 raised to the power 1. Okay, this becomes 5 raised to the power log of 2 raised to the power 3, as this moves up here and becomes that log of 2 raised to the power 3 base 5 log of 3 base 5 times 5 raised to the power 1. Let's see if it's going to be equal to 120. We know that a raised to the power log of b base a is b. So applying the same rule, this now becomes 2 raised to the power 3 times 3. 5 times 1 is 5. See if it's equal to 120. 2 raised to the power 3 is 8 times 3 times 5. 8 times 3 is what? 24. 24 times 5 will give us 120. So this just goes to show that our left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, our value of x, which is what we got here earlier, this 3 log of 2 base 5 plus log of 3 base 5 minus 1 is the correct answer. So if you enjoyed today's solution and you've learned something new, make sure that you share this video to somebody else that it might be beneficial to, and also subscribe if you'd love to see more videos like this. Like the video as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care and bye-bye.